Hello. What are you thankful for today? If you need help, I'll share with you every morning what I am thankful for, and maybe you can use them too, and we can be thankful together. And I've been writing them down, so every day we have to come up with one thing that we are thankful for. So today I am thankful for my intellect. And I'll invite you to take a few minutes, take a deep breath, and exhale. And tell yourself, I am thankful for my intellect because it allows me to make good decisions. I am smart. I am capable. I am intelligent. My intellect helps me deduce things, understand things, analyze things. It's a really wonderful thing that the brain does for you. So thank you. Thank you for my intellect that allows me to learn new things, understand things, and be part of this world on planet Earth with the rest of the humans. We use intellect a lot. So be thankful that you have it. I will share a little music with you, and I hope you can take this opportunity to breathe deeply and feel blessed. You are blessed. You are safe, and you are meant to be happy always. See how nice it feels to breathe deeply. Isn't that great? Breathe slowly and deeply. And once again, thank you for my intellect. And when you're ready, you can go about your day. If you think of more things to be thankful for, write them down, and you can pile them all up and be thankful for all of them. And you can do this at night. So tonight, when you go to bed, if you thought of more things to be thankful for, and I'm sure you did, it's not that hard to do. So if you did, you wrote them down before you go to bed, read them. And remind yourself all the many things that you have to be thankful for. If you can't think of things, stick around every day from today until Thanksgiving Day. I will make one of these videos every day with new things to be thankful for. There's so many, you have no idea. I go through everything, including the electricity that we take so for granted. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Remember, you are the boss of you, and life is here to work for you. Oh my God.